Alright, welcome to the Mission 4 mini lesson. We're adding a new step today, and that is we need to remove brackets using the distributive property. We're going to do that before we start to remove the addition and subtraction. We still have one step coming for Mission 5. And then we have use inverse operations to remove all subtraction and addition, then to remove the division and multiplication. So if we have an equation where we have brackets on one side, such as 4 times 2x minus 3 equals negative 52. We need to first use the distributive property in order to remove those brackets. Don't forget, I want you to show your multiplication by putting those arrows in, and you'll get 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and 4 times negative 3. Positive 4 times negative 3 is going to be a negative 12. Don't forget to pay attention to those positives and negatives, and that's equal to negative 52. Now once we've done that step in Mission 4, we get an equation 8x minus 12 equals negative 52, and that's just like a Mission 3 equation, which we just did. So we're going to remove the subtraction first. We're going to add 12 to both sides. A negative 12 plus 12 is going to cancel out, and I'll be left with 8x equals negative 52 plus 12 is negative 40. Again, don't forget to be using your calculators with the negative numbers to double check that we're doing those right. We now have 8x equals negative 40. The inverse of 8 times x is to divide by 8. Do that to both sides. And the 8 over 8 cancel out. Sorry, I forgot to put the line in there, but we get x equals negative 40 over 8, and that answer is negative 5. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 1 negative, 1 positive. The answer is going to be negative. So in this equation, x is equal to negative 5. One more time. Negative 2 times n minus 7, that's going to be equal in this equation to negative 6. So use that distributive property to first remove those brackets. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. And it's plus 14. We're adding 14 because the negative 2 times negative 7, two negative numbers multiplied, gives us a positive. So we get that plus 14. And that's equal to negative 6. Remove that plus 14, the addition, by doing the inverse. This is step 3. We do that to both sides and cancel out the 14s. So I'm left with negative 2n equals negative 6 minus 14. That's negative 20. Cancel out negative 2 times n. Remember, that's not n minus 2. That's not a subtraction. That's negative 2 times n. So we need to divide both sides by negative 2. And when the negative 2's cancel out, we're left with n is equal to a negative 20 divided by a negative 2. Negative divided by negative, that's a positive 10. Good luck with Mission 4.